Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a shorthand system and committing to a lean symbol set. Choose Greg, Pittman, or simplified outlines you can write consistently. Sit with a comfortable pen and line spacing that matches your speed. Shorter strokes reduce fatigue. Start the first dictation immediately. Mark time and speaker initials, then capture key nouns and verbs as compact signs. Once done, leave a small margin for clarification, so you can expand later without crowding the main notes. You should listen for the speech's skeleton, subject, verb, and modifier, and write those as primary shorthand strokes so meaning stays intact. Reduce phrases into abbreviations and positional cues. Place modifiers above or below the base stroke to show role. When the speaker speeds up, mark uncertain words with a small dot and keep going. Don't pause to decipher. Once you've gathered a block of shorthand, make quick margin notes linking content to context, so reconstruction later is straightforward. You now convert shorthand back into full text, ideally within 24 hours while memory fills gaps. Expand symbols into full words and restore punctuation. Make sure to use speaker initials and context lines to disambiguate similar outlines and to check tense and numbers. If the notes are often incomplete, ask the speaker to slow to a sustainable pace or insert short pauses. Request a 10 to 20% slower rate. If problems persist, identify recurring ambiguous symbols and refine them before the next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.